Servio, and I'm going to talk about the colors of nature. Color is nature have great importance due to the function that they have and ideas that they bring to us as humans. On the YouTube tags, I will mention the function of colors animals, the patterns that they use when they can't see colors, how humans approach these techniques to their own interests, and especially the importance of colors in nature. Importance of colors. Animals use colors to identify themselves and others. Without them, animals will have problems to socially and identify as individuals. Function colors can represent uncertainty, especially as a sign of danger, as some little frogs or snakes. Also, these colors, even if they are not danger, make enemies think it and then they drive away other predators. Talking about reproduction, this can work to attract females' attention and process to reproduce power over the rest of the group. And finally, the more obvious function is that it helps to identify their own species patterns. When animals can see they process use patterns, not colors. When there are not colors, patterns replace the function of colors. The big problem is that they are all alike and breedings must learn how the different animals. Humans. Humans learn to use colors as uniform of a tribe. They copy sexual ceremonies of animals to cover, for example, dances and movements. Humans use patterns to avoid confusing with other tribes. In conclusion, the colors is natural have great importance due to the functions that they have and the ideas that they bring to us humans. The function of colors of animals, the patterns that they use when they can see colors, how humans approach these techniques to their own interests, altogether express the importance of colors so natural. Thank you. Have a nice day.